Ever wondered what lies deep, deep beneath your feet? Not just dirt and rock, but thousands of miles down, to the very heart of our planet. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey, a voyage to the center of the Earth, to uncover the secrets hidden in its fiery depths. So, buckle up, because things are about to get intense. Our journey begins by piercing through the Earth's crust, the thin, rocky shell we live on. It might seem thick to us, but on a planetary scale, it's thinner than the skin of an apple. It's broken into massive tectonic plates that drift, collide, and grind against each other, creating everything from majestic mountain ranges to terrifying earthquakes. For the first few dozen miles, we're passing through familiar territory: granite, basalt, the stuff of our continents and ocean floors. But soon, we cross a boundary known as the Mohorovičić discontinuity, or MOHO for short. Here the world changes. We've entered the mantle, the thickest layer of our planet, stretching nearly 1,800 miles deep. Forget solid rock. Think of a substance that's almost like super thick, ultra-hot asphalt. It's solid, yet it flows over millions of years in massive convection currents. Heat from the core rises, cools, and sinks back down, a planetary engine driving the movement of the tectonic plates above. The pressure here is crushing, thousands of times greater than at the surface, and temperatures soar to several thousand degrees Fahrenheit. We are now in a realm completely alien to human experience. As we descend deeper into the mantle, the pressure and temperature continue to skyrocket. We're now hundreds of miles down. The minerals around us are squeezed into new, exotic forms, structures that can only exist under such immense force. It's within this vast, churning layer that mysterious anomalies are found. For decades, scientists have detected two continent-sized blobs of unusually dense, hot material sitting on top of the core mantle boundary, one beneath Africa and one beneath the Pacific Ocean. What are they? Some theories suggest they might be the remnants of an ancient planet that collided with Earth billions of years ago, its core sinking to become part of ours. These blobs, or large low-shear velocity provinces, are thought to be the source of what we call mantle plumes. Imagine a giant, superheated lava lamp. Mantle plumes are colossal columns of hot rock that rise from the core mantle boundary, punching their way up through the entire mantle. When one of these plumes reaches the base of the crust, it can create what we call a hotspot, the Hawaiian Islands. That's a classic example. The Pacific Plate has been slowly sliding over a stationary hotspot for millions of years, with the plume periodically burning through the crust to form a new volcanic island in the chain. The supervolcano lurking beneath Yellowstone National Park is another one, a ticking geological time bomb powered by a deep mantle plume. These plumes are a direct link between the surface world we know and the mysterious depths we're exploring. After traveling nearly 1,800 miles, we approach the next great frontier, the core mantle boundary. This is the most dramatic transition inside our planet. We're leaving the rocky silicate mantle behind and entering a world of metal. The pressure is now over 1 million times surface pressure, and the temperature is hotter than the surface of the sun. Suddenly, we plunge into a vast, swirling ocean. But this isn't water. We've reached the outer core. It's a sphere of liquid iron and nickel, 400 miles thick, churning and flowing with violent, turbulent currents. And this is where Earth's magic really happens. The movement of this molten metal, a giant conductive fluid, generates massive electrical currents. This process, known as the geodynamo, creates Earth's magnetic field. This invisible force field extends far out into space, wrapping our planet in a protective bubble called the magnetosphere. It deflects the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles from the sun that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere and bombard us with deadly radiation. Without the outer core, there would be no magnetic field, no atmosphere, and no life on Earth. We owe our very existence to this roiling metallic ocean deep beneath our feet. The journey isn't over. As we push through the liquid outer core, the pressure becomes almost unimaginable, over 3.6 million times that of the surface. And because of this colossal pressure, something amazing happens. Even though the temperature is now pushing 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the iron and nickel can no longer exist as a liquid. The immense pressure forces the atoms into a solid crystal lattice. We have arrived. We are at the center of the Earth, inside the inner core, It's a solid sphere of iron and nickel, about 760 miles in radius, roughly the size of the moon. It's a world of pure, white-hot metal, glowing brighter than any star in our sky. Recent research suggests this inner core might even have its own layers, an innermost inner core, with a different crystalline structure. It's a planet within a planet, and incredibly, it's rotating, spinning slightly faster than the rest of the Earth, a metallic heart beating in the center of our world. From the solid crust to the flowing mantle, the liquid outer core, and finally, the solid inner core. Our journey has taken us through layers of unimaginable heat and pressure. We've seen how the deep Earth drives volcanoes, moves continents, and generates the magnetic shield that protects us all. We can't drill a hole to the center of the Earth, but by studying seismic waves from earthquakes, we can piece together this incredible picture of our planet's interior. It's a reminder that some of the greatest wonders aren't in the distant cosmos, but right here, beneath our own feet. Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible voyage to the heart of our planet. If you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more amazing science, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Let me know in the comments what cosmic or earthly mystery you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.